Introduction. Bones are remarkable structures that provide support, protection, and mobility to the human body. Composed primarily of minerals and proteins, bones possess a complex and dynamic structure that enables their various functions. This article aims to explore the intricate structure of bones, including their composition, classification, and microscopic organization. Composition of bone. Bones are a composite tissue, consisting of cells, fibers, and an extracellular matrix. The extracellular matrix is composed of organic components, such as collagen fibers and proteoglycans, as well as inorganic mineral salts, primarily calcium and phosphorus. The combination of these elements imparts both flexibility and strength to bones. Classification of bones. Bones can be broadly classified into 5 categories based on their shape and structure: long bones, short bones, flat bones, irregular bones, and sesamoid bones. Long bones, like the femur, are characterized by their elongated shape and consist of a shaft, diaphysis, and 2 expanded ends, epiphyses. Short bones, such as those found in the wrists and ankles, are roughly cuboidal in shape. Flat bones, such as the skull bones, have a thin and flattened structure, providing protection to underlying organs. Irregular bones, like the vertebrae, have complex and irregular shapes. Sesamoid bones are small, rounded bones embedded within tendons, with the patella being the most well-known example. Microscopic structure of bone. At the microscopic level, bone exhibits a highly organized structure. It is composed of 2 types of bone tissue: compact bone, cortical bone, and cancellous bone, spongy bone. Compact bone. Compact bone forms the outer layer of most bones and provides strength and protection. It appears dense and solid to the naked eye. Under a microscope, compact bone reveals a series of concentric layers called lamella. Each lamella consists of mineralized collagen fibers known as osteons or Havasian systems. Osteons are cylindrical structures arranged parallel to the long axis of the bone, and they contain a central canal called the Havasian canal, which houses blood vessels and nerves. Radiating from the central canal are small channels called canaliculi, which connect adjacent osteocytes, bone cells. These osteocytes are responsible for maintaining bone tissue and orchestrating bone remodeling. Cancellous bone. Cancellous bone, also known as trabecular or spongy bone, fills the inner region of bones. It has a porous, lattice-like structure, resembling a sponge. Within the cancellous bone, delicate bony struts called trabeculae form an interconnected network, creating spaces filled with bone marrow. The arrangement of trabeculae provides strength to the bone while reducing its weight. Cancellous bone is particularly abundant in regions where load bearing is required, such as the ends of long bones and the vertebral bodies. Bone development and remodeling. Bone development, also known as ossification, occurs through 2 main processes: intramembranous ossification and endochondral ossification. Intramembranous ossification involves the direct conversion of mesenchymal connective tissue into bone, resulting in the formation of flat bones. Endochondral ossification involves the replacement of a cartilage model with bone tissue and is responsible for the formation of most bones, including long bones. Throughout life, bones undergo constant remodeling, a dynamic process involving the resorption of old bone by osteoclasts and the formation of new bone by osteoblasts. This process ensures the maintenance of bone mass, repair of microdamage, and adaptation to mechanical stresses. Various factors, such as hormones, mechanical loading, and nutritional status, influence bone remodeling. Conclusion: the structure of bone is a fascinating blend of cellular and extracellular components that contribute to its strength, flexibility, and resilience. The composite nature of bone, with its mineralized matrix and cellular components, allows it to withstand mechanical stresses while accommodating growth and repair. Understanding the structure of bone is crucial for comprehending its function, the pathogenesis of bone diseases, and the development of therapeutic interventions to promote bone health throughout life.